In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and apply text styles in Figma. Text styles help you keep typography consistent across your designs, speed up your workflow, and make updates effortless. We'll start by creating a style from an existing text layer, and then we'll apply that style elsewhere in the file. First, open your design in Figma so you are in the file where you want to work. Make sure you are on the Design tab in the right sidebar so you can see text properties. To create a text style, begin by selecting the text layer you want to turn into a reusable style. Click directly on the text in your canvas, or choose it from the Layers panel, and confirm you can see its font, size, weight, and line height in the right sidebar. Now, in the text section of that sidebar, click the four-dot style icon. This opens the Styles menu for typography. In the top right of that menu, click the plus icon to add a new style based on the selected text settings. You'll be prompted to name your style. Use a clear, consistent naming convention so it's easy to find later. For example, you might include role and size, like heading or large or body or regular. Next, click Show More Options. Then, open the three horizontal dots to set the basics, details, and variable options for your style. This is where you can confirm or fine-tune attributes such as font family, weight, size, line height, letter spacing, and any variable settings you are using to keep type flexible across themes. When everything looks right, close that window and click Create Style. You've now saved a reusable text style that you can apply anywhere in your file. To apply an existing text style, select the text layer you want to style. Again, look to the text section in the right sidebar and click the same four-dot icon. You'll see your list of saved styles. Choose the style you just created or any other you want to use and click it. The selected text will immediately update to match the style's font, size, and other defined properties. If you change the style later, every text layer using it will update automatically, which is the real power of working with styles. That's the full process. Thanks for watching.